what we plan today?
Well, today we're going to go to Millennium Park. Go take our photo by the infamous beam. Pretty famous little piece of historic art in downtown Chicago. We're going to go check out Navy Pier, show them some of the things there. Maybe go through a fun house, get her lost a little bit. Maybe I can lose her there, I'm not sure. And the other thing we want to do is we want to get some Italian beef and a Chicago hot dog.
Oh, do you really?
Yes, that's what we're going to do today.
Yeah.
Maybe do some shopping. I need a couple of pair of jeans. Maybe Hama will find something that she
I will
likes.
ride a slipper.
The slippers, some slippers. Okay, she wants the slippers. But yeah, this is our first experience on the water taxi. We were it's a really good value. We got 10 ride tickets, so it's $3 every time. Real economical way to get around Chicago if you want to see a lot of things. Especially if you're staying in Chinatown, you can go downtown for $3.
That's how good. Now, let's see how it's working, right?
It's working. We're moving. We're going to be coming across our first bridge here soon, and we're going to be in the heart of Chicago.
Then we'll go out on the